Let's take a closer look at this new category of Italian semi-professional investors who are now being granted access to AIFs traditionally reserved to professional investors. First off, we define this new category as semi-professional investors or clients for ease of reference, but there is no actual label as such offered in the local Italian legislation. The Italian legislation at issue is the Ministerial Decree No. 30 of 2015, amended in 2022 to cater for the introduction of this new investor category. The aim of the amendments made to this ministerial decree was essentially to allow access to alternative investment funds for certain retail investors, hence sustaining the market for local alternative investments and support the growth of local small and medium enterprises. So what is the typical profile of an Italian semi-professional investor? These are white-collar types of investors who can invest an initial minimum amount of euro 500,000, half a million, which cannot be fractioned. But subject to certain cumulative conditions, semi-professional investors in Italy can also access AIFs with an initial minimum investment amount that is lower than half a million, but not less than 100,000 euros. To benefit from this lower minimum initial investment amount, the related investment must be made within the context of the provision of investment advisory services, and investment in the reserved AIF does not have to exceed 10% of the financial portfolio of that semi-professional investor. One of the points to note here, which will have repercussions also on the dynamics for the marketing authorization of AIFs in Italy, is that Italian semi-professional investors are not strictly nor necessarily considered as retail investors.